Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Niga Med Guide. Today's lecture is about an overview of digestive system, and this is one of the most essential system in human body as it provides nutrients to all systems to run smoothly. My purpose to provide an overview before discussing its organs in detail is just to orient you about this topic. Objectives that we will cover in this lecture are: what is the introduction of digestive system, what are the main processes or activities of digestive system, how are the organs distributed in digestive system, what is alimentary canal, and what are the accessory organs. Digestive system. Digestive system consists of many organs and glands that are responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and finally eliminating waste from the body. And it is basically food that cannot be digested. So main function of digestive system is to get nutrients from the food that are used by body cells for energy, repair, and growth. Digestive system consists of alimentary canal and accessory organs, and alimentary canal consists of main primary organs of digestive system. We will discuss about this in next slides. Major processes or activities of digestive system. Digestive system has 5 main activities that are ingestion, propulsion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. The first process is ingestion. When we take food or water into the mouth, then this process is known as ingestion. After ingestion, propulsion takes place, and it is movement of food through the alimentary canal, and it is done by contraction and relaxation of smooth muscles of digestive organs that push food from one organ to another. For example, from stomach to small intestine, then from small intestine to large intestine. Next process is digestion, and it is a process in which food is broken down into smaller components so that it can be absorbed and used by body cells. It is of two types: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion means physical breakdown of food, and it begins in the mouth where food is broken down by teeth, and its process is known as mastication or chewing. Chemical digestion is done by various enzymes that are secreted from glands and organs. For example, amylase enzyme that help in digestion of carbohydrates, pepsin that help in digestion of proteins, and lipase takes part in digestion of fats. Next process is absorption, and it is a process in which food substances or nutrients are absorbed into blood by passing through different digestive organs, and then these nutrients are absorbed by body cells by blood circulation. The final process is elimination. Food substances that cannot be absorbed or digested by digestive organs are excreted through alimentary canal, and this process is called as defecation. Distribution of digestive organs. Digestive organs are distributed into two main groups, that are alimentary canal and accessory organs. Alimentary canal is the main digestive tract, and it is also known as gut or gastrointestinal tract, and it consists of main primary organs of digestive system. I will explain in next slides by using this picture that which is alimentary canal, and among all these organs, which organs are the organs of alimentary canal and which are the accessory organs. Alimentary canal, that is main digestive tract, and it is also known as gut or gastrointestinal tract. This is a long muscular hollow tube through which food passes. It starts from mouth and ends at its last part, that is anus. It consists of main primary organs. In this picture, organs of alimentary canal are labeled and it starts from mouth as I described earlier and ends at its last part, that is anus. So what are the organs of alimentary canal? It includes mouth, oropharynx that is present behind the oral cavity and it is mid part of pharynx. Then esophagus, stomach, small intestine. Small intestine has further main three parts that are duodenum, jejunum and ileum. This is a part of duodenum and after that jejunum and ileum comes. The last part of alimentary canal is large intestine and large intestine has main three parts that are cecum, colon, rectum and anal canal or anus. In this picture, this is cecum and this is a fine tube that is called as appendix and it leads from the cecum. This is colon, this is rectum and this is anus or anal canal. The colon has main four parts that are ascending colon. As it goes upward, that's why it is known as ascending colon. This is transverse colon. This is descending colon as it goes downward. And here is the last part of colon, that is sigmoid colon. Accessory digestive organs. These organs assist in digestion, but food does not pass through these organs. The main difference between organs of alimentary canal and these organs is that food passes through the organs of alimentary canal, but food does not pass through these organs. So what are these organs and what is their role in digestion? I will explain briefly about each organ. So first one is salivary glands. So there are three pairs of salivary glands. Here in this picture you can see the first one is parotid glands that are present on each side of face, in front or below each ear. Next is submandibular gland that are present beneath the jaw or mandible bone. The last one is sublingual glands that are present under the floor of mouth or beneath the tongue. So what is the role of these glands in digestion? First of all, they secrete mucus that help in lubricating and swallowing food. They also secrete saliva that contains an amylase enzyme that help in digestion of carbohydrates. And these amylase enzyme is called as salivary amylase enzyme as this is secreted from the salivary glands. Next organ is liver. This is liver and its role in digestion is just production of bile that help in digestion of fat. Liver has extensive role in metabolism but it is not related to digestion. When we talk about digestion, then liver has a role in just production of bile. Next organ is gallbladder and this is gallbladder that is of green color and it is present inferior and posterior to liver. And what is the role of gallbladder? Its role is just limited to storage and release of bile and it releases bile into duodenum here. The last organ is pancreas and this is the portion of pancreas and its role is release of enzymes. For example, amylase enzyme, as it is secreted from the pancreas, that's why it is called as pancreatic amylase. And its role is also similar to salivary amylase, that is helping in digestion of carbohydrates. Lipase enzyme help in digestion of fat and proteinase enzyme help in digestion of proteins. Here is a summary of all lecture. Digestive system includes many organs and glands that work together in breaking food, digesting and absorbing it, and eliminating waste from the body. And it happens through its five main components or processes. The first one is ingestion. When we take food into mouth, then this is called ingestion. Propulsion means movement of food through alimentary canal. Digestion means breaking food into smaller components Absorption is a process in which nutrients are absorbed into blood and then used by body cells. Elimination. In elimination, undigestible food or material that cannot be digested or absorbed are eliminated from the body, and this process is known as defecation. Next, how are the organs distributed in digestive system? So organs are distributed in two ways: organs of alimentary canal and accessory organs. Organs of alimentary canal are labeled in black color and accessory organs are labeled in red color in this picture. So organs of alimentary canal are mouth, oropharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Accessory organs are salivary gland, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Main difference between alimentary canal and organs of and accessory organ is that food passes through the alimentary canal, but food does not pass through these accessory organs. If you found my video helpful, then kindly subscribe, like and share my channel.